Hey guys, it's Rae. I just finished teaching for the day and I am now on the road grabbing gas right now. On the road on my way to Rosemont in Illinois because we are going to the Illinois Education Association conference that they're having for their General Assembly. I'm so excited. I'll be presenting there tomorrow, so I'm gonna drive up tonight, meet up with Chad, and we're gonna get dinner, hopefully get to catch up. We don't get to see each other very often in person, and then we both present tomorrow. Now tomorrow's exciting because I not only get to present, but I'm hoping to do a surprise visit at a district outside Chicago, so I'm really excited to drive up there. Hey guys, we are finally at IEA conference. We're in Rosemont, Illinois, and look who I bumped into. Chad's here, so we are so excited. We are gonna get ready. The conference starts very, very soon, and then we both present at the same time, so we're gonna miss each other present, which is kind of a bummer.
There's some tough decisions. Some tough decisions for attendees.
Who do you think they're gonna pick?
Probably me.
We're really excited, so excited for REA. So I am on my way to my car. I had an awesome time at IEA conference. We had a great turnout at the Teach Further session. We were able to really get to collaborate on some ideas, share some awesome pictures of what's happening in Teach Further classrooms, and it's just a blast. So if there's anything out of this, I just love collaborating with teachers. We always have a fabulous time. So now I'm heading to my car. From my car, I'm gonna go to Oak Lawn. I'm gonna surprise some Grid Method Teach Further teachers there to visit their classroom, see how they're doing, and then tonight I have an event for my incoming 6th graders back at my own school. So it's been a busy trip, but so much fun.